If your car is showing engine code U0100, you're in the right place. This code can spell bad news for your engine, so let's go over what it means. Engine code U0100 may mean that your car has lost communication with the engine control module or the powertrain control module. The ECM gathers information about how the engine is functioning, provides fuel to the engine, and reduces emissions. It works closely with the PCM to regulate the air-to-fuel ratios in the engine. If the line of communication to the car's computer is lost, it can't properly regulate engine function. This could cause the car to stall out, run hot, or not run at all. Your vehicle could also experience much worse gas mileage. The cost to fix problems associated with engine code U0100 will vary depending on the nature of the communication loss and the make of your vehicle. It should only take a mechanic around an hour to diagnose the issue. If the problem is a low or malfunctioning battery or a loss of communication with the ECM or PCM, it may be an easy fix. But it could entail a problem with the ECM or PCM itself, or the software involved. Replacing the ECM or PCM may run you between $800 and $1,500. Engine code U0100 is pretty serious. Without the line of communication to the ECM and PCM, essentially the brains of your vehicle, the car will not be able to properly control its engine. Avoid straining your vehicle and get it checked out as soon as possible. For more help solving your car problems, plus tips to make car ownership less expensive, hit the subscribe button or go to getjerry.com.